For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button all.
Dr. Rehaman Patel was born on June 1, 1975 in a village Gola near Shahabad in Karnataka. He completed Master of Fine Art in Painting and Ph.D. on Bidri Art of Karnataka, a study in 2010 from Gulbarga University. Always he focuses on current issues. A painting, Demonetization, elaborates what the people face the problems during their hard 50 days time. A painting titled Not in My Name is based on a woman and girl child who were exploited and later murdered. This painting depicts Save Girl Child, Educate Male Child. If male is educated, the girl child can be saved. One of the recent painting is India Under One Umbrella. Speaks about the unity and communal harmony of India. This is the only country in the world where several faiths and different religious people live under one roof. The painting is explained by using some religious symbols embedded in a single thread. He is a recipient of Junior Fellowship in the field of painting from Ministry of Culture, Government of India, New Delhi in 2002-04. Research Fellowship from Karnataka Shilpakala Academy, Bangalore on topic Special Study on International Bidri Art Collections in 2014-15. During this lockdown period implemented to fight with the disease of COVID-19, he came with a topic to alert the citizens to stay home. The only option left is to lock their feet. This is expressed in the painting which says "Stay home to surely win." The slippers are also arranged in the manner V, which shows the sign of victory. A painting titled The Last Option is made up of acrylic color on canvas. He honored silver medal at Intercollegiate Youth Festival at Gulbarga University in 1996. 20th State Level Art Exhibition at Bijapur and National Art Contest and Exhibition organized by Gulbarga Academy of Art, Culture and Literature in 2011. 3rd International Art Exhibition Shorong Award presented by Shorong Art Group at Colombo, Sri Lanka in 2018, Bangladesh 2019 and many others.
I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.